back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some New Balances. This time, this is the 2002R Silhouette, and these are known as the Castlerocks. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some New Balances. This is the 2002R Silhouette, and these are known as the Castlerock. So we're going to go through the overview of this really rugged appeal for this shoe. Then we'll jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, a really just easy to style colorway. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So the 2002R, I feel like, is most famous for the Salehi-Bembury collaboration, which I'll just pull down just because they look so different. You probably didn't even know that these both were the same silhouette, but they actually are. I'm really loving this just because it has some different gray hues that I actually don't have on a lot of my other New Balance silhouettes. So happy to have added this one to the collection. From the front of the toe box here, you'll see that we have this really just high quality suede on the front. And then we've got this metallic-y, darker charcoal gray, which actually is very thin and feels lightweight. And so there's a lot of extra breathability in this material. As we work our way up, we do have kind of like a hiker's lace look here. And we've got New Balance in just a subtle hint of red on that metallic-y silver colorway. I do love how they did add a little bit of metallic silver throughout the sneaker, but it's very subtle. It's not too in your face. As we work our way up, you'll notice that there is this really cool pouch, which is actually detachable. So if you do want to take this off the lace, you can do that. But if you do want to have this extra kind of stash, you have that as well. So that pocket looks like it can carry, you know, a decent amount of something, not anything too large, but it is kind of cool that they give you that option. I feel like this is definitely a sneaker I really want to take hiking for some reason. It could be just the rugged look that it's giving me. As we work our way up, you'll notice that we have this really cool dual color combination going on here. So we have this darker leather on the top of the tongue, and then we've got metallic that's very subtle underneath. You wouldn't be able to really tell if you have the pouch on, but if you do take the pouch off, you can see that underneath. And then we've got that light kind of meshing in that shiny color combination throughout. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, we've got really just high quality materials throughout. As you know, New Balance just is literally on top of their game when it comes to materials. On this one, you can see that it actually looks a bit worn on the bottom here. So it looks like they actually intentionally made that worn look on the suede, which is kind of cool. So if you do kind of mess these up when you decide to go hiking with them, like myself, it's actually already kind of ruggedly smeared up a little bit here and scuffed up, which is kind of nice. So then we have the N with that pop of metallic silver underneath this nice kind of metallic-y shiny blue. Wrapping around, we have New Balance on the back on that silver plate, which pops with the New Balance in the red color scheme. As we wrap our way around to the other side paneling, we do have the 2002R, which is very subtle on the side there. And then we have that same New Balance N with that blue and nice prominent metallic silver colorway. Working our way to the bottom of the midsole. Again, more of that really just kind of tarnish worn look that they've actually preempted on the bottom here. So it looks like it's been worn in that gray and kind of subtle ashy color scheme that they've painted over, it looks like. And then you even have that as we work our way to the outsole on the blue, you can kind of see the scuffiness of the white color scheme that's going on there. All right, so let's take a look at those last and final details. If you're not feeling these cool hiker laces, they do give the option to have just a basic kind of charcoal gray lace, which is nice. I will stick probably with the laces that they have on just because I do love the rugged effect that it gives it, but you do have the option to put on the basic kind of darker charcoal colorway. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say choose size on this one. I am a 7.5 in men's, and I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you do have flatter or wider feet, this could actually differentiate a size that may work different for you. So do take that into consideration when trying to find the size that fits best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, just a really cool, rugged feel that I was getting from these. I definitely wanted to bring some charcoal gray into the mix. So for the first look, I decided to wear a button-down shirt with matching pants and that nice charcoal gray color scheme, and I think it really just gave it this really clean monochromatic look. For the second look, I decided to wear a Balenciaga light heather gray tee. I definitely see lots of light heather gray throughout this silhouette, so definitely had to use that in the second look. I wore some shorts that were just kind of a sweatshirt material in a combination of a just nice ivory cream color scheme with some hints of that heather gray. And that was just a nice casual look. And final look, I decided to keep it casual, so I wore my starter sweatshirt, which was in a crew neck, and it was a light gray color scheme with some nice hues of red on there, or like more of a burgundy color, since there are some nice red accents. I definitely wanted to play off of that, and I wore some heather gray sweats. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $180, and these are actually currently going a little bit below resale to $200. So depending on what size you are, you could actually get a steal on these. And I honestly feel like this is such an amazing shoe. It says it is a running shoe, but I definitely think I'm going to take these hiking and test it out. So I'll definitely let you all know how that goes. But that's it for this unboxing and review, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here for the first time, appreciate you tuning into this channel. Hit that subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.